Hey people, back at it again here at another supermarket. Came to Super H-Mart. I came to see how well organized they are, and if I know it's Korean owned, I just wanted to see how organized they are, if they had food on their shelves or if they're even stocked versus the American supermarkets. Just wanted to give you guys a quick view or tour. Stay tuned. Check it out with me, fellas. Also, remember, if you're new here to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It will help this channel grow. Greatly appreciate it. You guys have been awesome. Also, the comments and the subscribes has been amazing from you guys, man. I see the love, man. It's a great family that we have here in this community. I do appreciate it. Stay tuned. I'm about to give y'all a tour of this Super H-Mart. All right, give me a second. Man, they're well organized. Nice stacked. Korean pears. Well, they look like they're stocked of good enough product. Also, they have a Korean restaurant here. Fresh vegetables and fruits, I mean, as well. Look like they got fresh stuff, man. Man, look at these apples, man. Wow. Big old apples. Avocados. Limes and lemons. Orange, mandarin. Sweet peppers. Spinach, baby radish. Baby lettuce. Grapefruit. Man, they are stocked full of stuff, people. They got cabbage. It's very busy here, too. Got some good activity going. Yellow bananas. Those tomatoes. Man, look at those orange peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers. I mean, damn, all this looks fresh. Got that box of ramens going on. Now guys, remember this is Super H-Mart. H-Mart as well, as y'all know it. This is Korean owned. garlic. And they are stocked. White potatoes, purple potatoes. That's how they have their meats. Comes different packaging, pretty cool. Skewsters, chicken skewsters. Short rib of your choice. Pretty cool how they package it. Oh man, they got the oxtails. Oxtails. God, inflated that prices on that oxtail, bro. Looks well packaged, different packaged. But they do have food here. They are stocked. Chicken cut wings. And they have their rice here. It's not as cheap as the other place for the rice. I don't see a 100-pound bag here of rice. But they do have stuff. They are stocked. You can come and stock up, people. They got their eggs and their milks, fully stocked. They got the Korean side dish. Pretty cool. All the stuff that already comes, so you can, if you don't want to prep it, it's already prepped for you. It does cost a little bit more, but it does come prepped already. In the containers. That way you don't have to buy containers. It already comes contained. But yeah, they got like a shopping center within as well, and a hot dog place. This is pretty cool, man. It's like a little Korea inside H-Mart, brother. Man, it's pretty dope. It's got like a shopping inside of a shopping center, bro. How cool, people. Check out front. Pretty nice and organized here. This is where they got all the rice at. It's pretty cool, man. I like this. H-Mart is where it's at, people. They are fully stocked. They are well organized. And you come get food here, they have it. As you see, people, I just gave y'all a tour of the H-Mart, Super H-Mart at that. I do appreciate you guys tuning in, and please make sure that if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Thank y'all, people, and y'all have a blessed day.